That is Route 77, and this is the handicap parking to the falls here in Catoctin, Maryland. And I'm the only car here. Or you can park down in the park and take the extreme way, which I think is about 1.5 miles. Falls Nature Trail ends here. Handicap Boardwalk Trail. Let's go take a look at the falls. A nice boardwalk. Got a small little creek running along the side here of this boardwalk. The handrails are gone now, it's just open boardwalk. Always nice to hear the sound of nature. Well, those of you who like eastern hemlocks, they're doing a restoration right here, which I don't quite understand too much inside this fence, because you're in the middle of the woods here. It looks like there'd be hemlocks everywhere. Oh, we got a warning sign here. Always obey these. Serious injuries have occurred to those climbing rocks or swimming in this area. Swimming is prohibited. Climbing is not advised. I would probably take that as don't do it. Stay on boardwalk. Please help nature heal this fragile area. They have a few benches along the way in case you get a little tired. Well, we're getting close. See the falls in the background there. Well, we made it to the falls and it's a dead end here. Does anybody read signs anymore? Because right here it even says, do not cross stream. Trail ends on boardwalk. Crossing stream degrades water quality and plant life. And of course, as you see, you have that lady there. You have all these people over here. They're taking a chance because you know if they get hurt, what's the first thing they're gonna do? I'm suing. And there's another sign right there about saying the same thing. Look at these guys coming down the rocks here. This is crazy. But like I said, nobody pays attention to signs. But the waterfalls are pretty. If you want to go see the falls, you're going to have to disobey the warning signs, climb over the fence here, and do what these people are doing, along with everybody else. The trail over there is at another entrance, but it's about 1.5 mile walk, and it's pretty extreme from what I hear. But the falls are right there, and if you look close, you can see some people that have climbed up to the top. But they say this is Maryland's highest falls. I think it was 78 feet tall. But pretty cool.
Don't pick it up.
I don't know, carrying your kid across this log like that, you're asking for trouble, I think. Nothing like taking a chance with your children. Oh, she almost fell. This is nuts. Crazy people. Well, that was pretty cool. Unfortunately, you couldn't see the falls very well because of the trees were in the way. But once again, you know, people taking chances with their lives, even little kids. We see little kids out there running around on the rocks and in the water, and there's signs clearly marked, do not do that, but they're taking their chances, I guess. So, oh well. But anyway, it was about I'm gonna say about a 5-minute walk from the parking lot on Route 77. There's two ways you can get here. In the park, there's an extreme hiking path to go. I wouldn't recommend that if all possible. It depends on how your skills are. But I parked in the handicap parking right off Route 77, and then you take this boardwalk. And like I said, you do about a 5-minute walk to the falls. So that's pretty nice. And it was a beautiful day here in Maryland. So I think that's going to do it here on the Catoctin Falls area. And on that note, Mark saying, see you on the road.